Have you ever wondered what makes bank vaults so secure? Let's explore the engineering marvels behind these fortresses of finance. Bank vaults are designed to protect vast amounts of wealth, including cash, gold, and priceless personal valuables in safe deposit boxes. Their critical role is to provide a physical safeguard against theft, fire, and natural disasters, ensuring the stability of financial institutions. A bank vault's security relies on a combination of robust physical construction, complex mechanical locking systems, and advanced electronic monitoring. The construction of a modern bank vault begins with its walls, floors, and ceiling, which are built to withstand extreme force and sophisticated tools. Vault walls typically consist of incredibly thick layers of steel-reinforced concrete embedded with steel mesh or rebar. This makes them virtually impenetrable. This combination protects against common attacks like drilling, cutting, and explosive entry, often requiring hours of effort even with specialized equipment. The most visible and often most complex part of a vault is its massive door. This is where most of the critical locking technology resides. The door itself is made of multiple layers of hardened steel, sometimes weighing several tons, secured by intricate boltwork mechanisms that extend deep into the vault frame. Most vaults use time locks, preventing the door from opening before a preset time. They also require dual control, meaning two people are needed to open it, enhancing security. Physical structure is only one layer of security. Modern vaults are equipped with sophisticated electronic monitoring systems. These include vibration sensors embedded in the walls, floor, and ceiling, and thermal sensors that detect sudden changes in temperature caused by cutting torches or explosives. High-definition security cameras monitor the vault interior and entry, with all access attempts and activities logged and reviewed by dedicated security teams 24/7. Bank vaults are a testament to security engineering, built on centuries of innovation and a commitment to protecting valuables. In summary, bank vaults combine reinforced concrete, heavy steel doors, multi-factor locks, and comprehensive electronic surveillance to create an unparalleled security system. The enduring reliability of physical security in bank vaults proves that sometimes the oldest defenses remain the strongest.